Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you holography for non-destructive technique testing. Okay, so here non-destructive testing is conducted by the help of holography. Okay, so first let's see the construction and working of it. So this diagram shows the construction of non-destructive technique. So first, the object under test. Okay, so it is placed inside the water bath. So if water is included, then this hologram is called acoustical hologram, because in water we have a sound waves interaction. By the help of that we'll test the material or object. Okay, so because of that this entire holography is called as acoustical holography. So first the object under test is placed inside the water bath. Okay, and next is the object is illuminated by using illuminating transducer. Okay, so here the transducer, it emits ultrasonic waves. Okay, so the ultrasonic waves will be illuminating towards the object. So the object, it will scatter all the ultrasonic waves in all direction. So the scattered wave is called as object wave. Okay, so the object wave, that means the scattered waves are collected by the receiving transducer. So this is the receiving transducer. So at this point the wave, the ultrasonic wave, the scattered wave or the object wave is converted into electrical signal. Okay, so the receiving transducer collects the scattered wave and it converts into electrical signal. Okay, so and it is received and then it is given to the electronic adder. Okay, so for the electronic adder, the one input is the electrical signal, that is of the object wave, and the second input is given by the RF oscillator. This is a reference signal. Okay, so at this adder, reference signal and the object wave signal both are added. Okay, so added means both are made to interfere. Okay, so that interference is displayed by using CRT display. Okay, so this is a cathode ray tube. So that display, it's like a olden TV display. So using that display, the interference pattern is displayed. Okay, so that interference pattern is recorded by using the normal camera. Okay, so once the camera is allowed to record this interference pattern, the film is taken and it acts as the hologram. Okay, remember this is your hologram now. Okay, and that hologram is taken and then it is given inserted in this area, that means, and it is illuminated by the laser source. Okay, so the laser source illuminates the recorded film that is placed here. So it is allowed to allowed to be viewed by the TV camera. So that TV camera will take the videograph, that means the movement of the three-dimensional view of this film. Okay, so the videograph is recorded by this TV camera and it is displayed in the TV monitor. Okay, so on the whole, what happens, the object that may have some stress or any other deformities, anything, so it will be detected, because the ultrasonic waves, after the vibrations, any deformity, if there is any deformity in this object, that will be collected by this transducer and it is given to the adder and interference pattern will be generated. So that will be recorded by this camera as a photographic film. So that film is allowed to fall on this TV monitor. So by simply viewing the TV monitor, we can find the where the deformity is. Okay, so this is the entire working of this non-destructive technique. Okay, so it follows four major steps. Okay, so the first step is what? The the object is first illuminated, the first step. Okay, so after the illuminated object, what will happen? The object is illuminated, it will be it will produce object wave, and everything will be scattered. That will be collected at the receiving transducer, and it will be converted into what it will be converted to electrical signal. So that is the second step. Okay, so electrical conversion of electrical signal is the second step. Okay, the third step is after electrical signal, interference pattern will be made and it is photographed. That is your third step. Okay, and third step, and the fourth step is the photographed image are recorded and it is viewed in the TV monitor. So that is our fourth step. Okay, so this includes 4 major steps for non-destructive technique. Okay, so if we see the advantages, the opaque object. Opaque means the light cannot penetrate into the object. So for that objects, we cannot actually find any fault or deformities inside it. We cannot actually find. Okay, by using normal method, but this holography non-destructive technique, it is applicable for opaque object also. Opaque means inside the object, it is we cannot see using normal eye. That is opaque. So opaque object also this method is applicable. Okay, but the disadvantage of this method is actually we are eliminating using what? A transducer, ultrasonic waves. Okay, ultrasonic waves are used for illumination, but during the reconstruction we use laser. Okay, so because of these two different sources, the image we obtain is a little distorted. Okay, so if the ultrasonic waves here we use, and here we use laser, because of this the image is distorted. Okay, so that is our first disadvantage. Second disadvantage is the acoustical method is not direct. That is why? Because we cannot find it in real time. We are using object and photographic film is made, and after that it will be taken out and it will be inserted into this equipment. Okay, or this arrangement. So some indirect technique is used here. There is no direct acoustical technique. Okay.